Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog door for wall that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SureFlap, Petcare, Microchip Pet Door. With this dog door, only your fur babies will be allowed to go through due to the smart technology built into it. There is a sensor in the door system that stays locked and shut until a dog, or cat, with the right RFID chip comes near. If your pet does not have a chip, the SureFlap has RFID code tags for their collar to let them in and out. And you can program it through an app on your phone. The door is easy to install with just a few steps, and you can program it simply by following the instructions in the guide or follow the prompts on the door. The door opening is 6 and 11/16 inches high by 7 inches wide and is able to be installed in walls, windows, or doors. It is compatible with 9, Avid Secure, 10, FDXA, and 15, FDXB, digit microchip numbers. You will also need 4C batteries to keep it working, so that is important to note. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ideal Pet Products Store. The Sash Window Dog Door is perfect for any dog from 3 to 75 pounds. It fits in any sash window and is simple to install. No measuring or cutting is needed. All you have to do is open the window, put the sash in there, and close the window on top of it for a snug fit. The sides are spring adjustable, so it can be adjusted for any size window and most sizes of dogs. The flap does not require any kind of collar or chip for your fur baby, so they can come and go as they please. The measurements for the small is 5 inches by 7 inches, the medium is 7 inches by 11.25, extra large is 10.5 by 15 inches, and the super large is 15 inches by 20 inches, so make sure you get the right size for your fur baby. At number 3, we have the PetSafe Never Rust Screen Door. One of the easiest dog door to install, this one is fast and simple. Just use the template to measure the hole and then cut the screen to fit. Snap the frame in place and it is done. However, many users have found that the pieces do not stay together very well, so they drilled a hole in each corner and kept it in place with nuts and bolts. This dog door comes in 2 sizes, small and large. The small is 9.25 inches high and 8 inches wide, and the large is 10.25 inches tall and 17.13 inches wide. Since it is for a screen door, it will not take a lot of abuse by large dogs barreling through it, but it works well for normal use. At number 2, we have the PetSafe Never Rust Wall Entry Pet Door. If you are handy with tools, you should not have any trouble installing this door into your home, but for those without these skills, you may need to hire a handyman. Cutting through the wall is a big job for most people, and depending on what your home is made of, it can be a serious job. But once it is installed, it is great. The telescoping design lets your dog travel through the wall and into the yard easily, and it has 2 flaps with magnets so it traps the air outside. There are 3 sizes, so it can accommodate most any dog breed. The small is for dogs under 5 inches wide and 8 inches tall, medium fits pooches up to 8 inches wide and 12 inches tall, and the large can handle pups up to 10 inches wide and 16 inches tall. And finally, at number 1, we have the Endura Flap Pet Door for walls. This is one dog door that is different, as it is rated to keep the weather out up to -40 degrees and keeps out wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. The dual flaps have magnets on all sides for better protection, and the magnet strengths are adjustable. It was tested in over 3 million trials with no damage to. It comes in 4 sizes. The small is 6 inches wide and 11 inches high, the medium is 8 inches wide by 15 inches tall, the large is 10 inches wide by 19 inches high, and the XL is 12 inches wide by 23 inches tall. And you can get it in 3 colors, white, tan, or black. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.